इंडिया एनर्जी वीक के फाइनल दिन पर चलिए सुनते हैं जो डेलीगेट्स यहाँ इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आए हैं उनसे कैसा उनका अनुभव रहा है इस 4 दिन के सबसे बड़े एनर्जी कॉन्क्लेव में।
If we need to increase the share and we need to develop a more and more infrastructure for last mile connectivity, and this requires almost $100 billion kind of investment going forward, and this requires significant amount of policy directives, policy changes for entry and exit of the investor has to be seamless.
With this collaboration, we're really introducing the concept of modular construction. So what it does is it accelerates project delivery schedules. It builds in predictability into project delivery. Also, because you are going to be building all of these modules in a controlled environment.
And in India Energy Week, we have signed 2 MOUs also. One is for Hyderabad Airport, that we have starting from Malkapur to Hyderabad, one pipeline. Another, we are proud to associate it with Indian Air Force also. We have also signed MOU for the pipeline from our Rairu, Gwalior to the Gwalior base of Indian Air Force. So these are the major pipeline infrastructure we are looking so that it will be ease of accessibility of ATF to the airports and in abundant quantity.
And one of the most important takeaways that I've had from the oil and gas industry, which I feel will be the future, is the biofuel sector. So biofuels includes everything from your biogas to your biohydrogen. So biogas, if you didn't know, actually becomes greener than electricity even. It has negative carbon dioxide emission and carbon footprint. And as we keep blending CBG into our pipeline, we have a vast pipeline with the scalability of that clean energy.
दर्शकों, जब दुनिया ने इंडिया से मुलाकात की यहाँ इंडिया एनर्जी वीक 2026 में और देखा कि स्टार्टअप्स के स्पेयर में इनोवेशन, एआई और डेवलपमेंट्स का स्केल कितना आगे बढ़ गया है, वो प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड रह गए। और उसी के साथ इंडिया एनर्जी वीक 2026 का समापन हो गया।